It's May 18th, 2019, and the once bustling factory has become quiet. As of now, operations here have been temporarily suspended due to a delayed delivery of cotton.
喂，尚老师你好，我们什么时候去上班？
棉花到了以后，我通知您。
那行，我班的人很着急去上班。
你不要心慌嘛，不要慌。
Because of the unexpected shutdown, Uhalihan has been forced to return to farming life. She's become accustomed to her factory job and now finds herself feeling a bit restless. A shutdown like this underscores the importance of steady employment for these poor families, as in many cases it's their only real source of disposable income. However, if the factory is unable to resume production soon, the workers are in danger of losing tens of thousands of yuan, which could put them under the poverty line.
当然着急啊！如果我们没有上班的话，就没有工资嘛，就没有收入，就这样。
Uhalihan cares as much about the loss of her identity as a worker as she does about the financial repercussions. The day she entered the factory for the first time, she really felt she'd opened a new door to her future. To keep busy and prepare herself for her return to work, Uhalihan has started writing down summaries of her work. On May 25th, 2019, the cotton finally arrives, and the textile factory is back to its normal operations.
我以前是一名普通的家庭妇女，还是一位年轻的母亲。那时候我怎么能想象今天的我呢？因为我很渴望自己有一份稳定的工作，有一份收入，尽快脱贫，尽快能劳动致富。记住这些企业初期，我不太习惯工作管理，因为公司管理和我以前的生活有很大的差异。可是我心目中有信心。我想，只有努力，我能做到。在公司领导的关心下，我习惯了公司的环境，我学会了很多知识，我结束了以前盲人一样的生活。
5年之前的我是不能大胆的，不能相信自己的。可是现在的我充满着信心，自己想的都能说出来。
最后的提名得票，Uhalihan是63票，3号职工的提名，那就是Uhalihan跟麦图克杰。